What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we're going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, the background's different. I am away for the holidays for a couple of days, and we'll be back in the normal studio in a little bit. But regardless of that, that's just why the background's different if you were wondering. But what we need to talk about is the recent correction, the recent virality pump that is taking place within a lot of these cryptocurrencies. This in no way, shape, or form was by any means a surprise across the board on these cryptos, the way these movements are. This is the most obvious textbook thing that we were just talking about in yesterday's episode. I mean, it doesn't get easier than what we have been going over. We might have to just slightly tweak these charts to include the slight movement like I just did on Solana and even on Ethereum here, but we kind of knew what we were expecting within these cryptos, and XRP now confirming closure outside major resistance is also a huge sign of possible rebounds here. So I am very excited to discuss and go over everything in today's episode here. Hopefully you guys are too. I mean, we have the stock market that was heading higher yet just yesterday, which we might adjust just a hair to include this. I mean, we could probably even do it just a tiny bit now, but maybe we'll wait a little bit later. We'll just go just like that, just a hair to include what we've been dealing with here. And you just use that as a reference point moving forward here. But lots of things to go over. Bitcoin seeing a major rebound. Maybe we can adjust that to include it. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, all these cryptos look absolutely incredible if you ask me. Lots of important things to go over. So definitely make sure, if you haven't already, to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick update. BYDFI. For those that don't know, BYDFI is the number one crypto trading exchange that I like to use here on the channel. But what's even cooler is they usually offer just an $8,100 bonus, sign-up bonus, for those that are new or want to make a deposit here. But they recently, because in light of the major events that have been taking place after the election, the major explosions post-halving that we are seeing within crypto, with XRP over $1, Bitcoin practically hitting $100,000, they've launched a trading competition, which I'm actually super excited about. I'm going to refresh the page here, but this is a partnership with me to launch, for you guys, a way for you guys to get free money. And what's super cool is you can see the total prize pool is now $3,500. It just started at $1,000 literally 5.5 days ago, and we are now at $3,500. This is a trading competition bonus. It is so easy. The link is in the description down below. They had actually also told me it's not just for new users, it's for all users that have signed up. So link is down in the description, completely free. Any user, maybe you've been on the exchange for a month, a year, 5 years, 2 years, or you just signed up yesterday, it doesn't matter. This is for anyone, which is super cool. And what's cool is I've been keeping track of the people that have been pumping up and seeing it. And Tommy, I think, was in number 1, and now he's in the second spot. Jay Porter has taken over, but they're close. The best part is the top 5 get rewards, and then for those that maybe don't have the rewards, so on and so forth, or you don't think you're going to get to that level yet, what's cool is the way they're splitting the bonus, pretty much everyone has a chance of winning this prize pool. So obviously the top 5 get the most rewards here, but then 20% of the prize pool will be randomly distributed to traders with trading volume of $100. Do you know how easy it is to get $100 in trading volume? That's $10 with 10x leverage will get you past that, which is very cool. I actually think this was an awesome way to really let everybody partake in this trading competition giveaway. So that's super cool and an easy way. And this bonus keeps going up every single day practically, depending on the volume here. There's more information, about how that works later on, or what I just showed you, but this is going to keep going up, which means there's thousands of dollars in free crypto, and it's not bonus money. This is cryptocurrency deposited into your account for you to do whatever you want with. So I'm very excited that they're doing that promotion here. It ends in a little over 3 weeks, so which is super cool. Lots of time here. So definitely keep your eyes on that. Make sure to sign up down below. But yesterday, we talked about a massive warning for holders here. XRP Ripple holders, do not panic. This must happen in order for us to continue to head up. Obviously, you can see we've been in an ascending broadening wedge. We've been tracking easy technical indicators here. You can see the pattern drawn clear as day. This is the Ethereum pattern here. And for those that might be wondering, well, what exactly is that? I want to show you. Ascending broadening wedges look like this. And this is kind of what we're dealing with here. This is an ascending broadening wedge pattern. Let me zoom in. You can see that look right there. This is it here. The ascending broadening wedge is basically we head up, but because we're widening, we eventually come back to the downside here. This is another pattern of what that would look like here with the ascending pattern. We have an ascending wedge, which ends up breaking down, and we have a descending wedge, which ends up breaking up. Although they do have 2 points of confirmation, and I guess it's possible on either, but for the most part, ascending broadening wedges, as far as I knew, they broke down. This is showing it's breaking up. Very interesting. This is how I always thought ascending broadening wedges are, but I guess it's how we enter. So this entered in as how we exit, so I guess that would be the same thing here. And I guess with that logic, the way we entered Ethereum would inevitably be how we exit, so that would instill the fact that because we entered like this could lead us to a breakout even higher, which would be incredible. But this was an easy buy-in opportunity. There's a clear reversal doji on Ethereum, so I'm super excited to go over that. But I want to start with XRP. You can see we've been tracking some sort of like bull flag formation on Ethereum's 4-hour charts here. There might even be a little hair of an uptrend. That's possible. If we jump to like the hourly, it could probably confirm that even more. Something along the lines of that, you can kind of see that. And then we broke bullish outside of it. Now, it is a 4-hour. Let's jump to the daily to see if there's any room. I mean, we are so overbought on the daily charts. It's wild here, but we could definitely keep heading up higher, especially since we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 days of downtrend. You can just see that uncertainty. Did you actually guys take a look at that? Look at all the uncertainty on XRP right now. 4 candles of bulls and bears duking it out as hard as they can here, but typically with these bull flags, with the confirmation, especially with this uptrend here, followed by lower lows, filling in the gap, with us confirming this could definitely send us higher, but it's a little too early, especially if we just drag this up a hair. You can see it is a 4-hour, so we can include the wicks that are hitting right now. And what I mean by that is these are the wicks here. See how it's a candle wick, not the actual thick base of the wax itself. So you can see wick, 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 wick. So with that in mind, to play it safe here, let's wait for that to break before we take advantage of it. We want to be extra conservative because it's the 4-hour charts and not the daily charts. So really, we're going to bat down the hatches and wait conservatively for XRP right now, but there's a very great chance it could head up higher. But let's see how it reacts to here. If we break through this uptrend that we've drawn, then we could buy in it for a short, which is definitely a much bigger possibility than a breakout. But honestly, anything is possible. So keep your eyes peeled on that because big things are coming for XRP. We'll do all these trades on BYDFI because BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. And like I said, aside from the trading competition, which is new, which I really like, it's doing really well, they are also offering a way for you guys to get news or benefits up to 8,100. And then they even have a demo trading account. So what that means is not only on top of this trading comp, but they have a a bonus account for people that maybe don't want to do the trading. You can see here, news or rewards get you 100 USDT. Just for signing up, which is epic. And then they have ways to earning even more for some whales if you're crazy high, but for the average Joe, you can do this. And some people be like, 20 bucks. What's 20 bucks going to do? What's 50 bucks going to do? Well, little goes a long way in leverage, and that's crazy because, you do 20 times 20, that's quite a bit. 100 times 20, that's $2,000 in trading bonus, which is crazy if you think about it here. Daily benefits are free. These restock every day, or not free. You have to follow these things that they're offering here. And then they even have exclusive benefits for you to take advantage of here. You get bonus money. You can trade around with it. Super cool. I think it's a very unique thing that they offer here. They got a good thing going. And then on top of that, they have this demo account, which gives you $50,000 in demo money to practice trading your skills. You can see right here. Get familiar with the exchange, learn how to trade, and then when you're ready, head on over to the live trading account, and you can see that's right over here, and you can trade around with that bonus money. And the best part is all bonus profits, trading profits on bonus money can be withdrawn, which is insane and very, very, very cool. You can see even on here, I don't think this will let me leverage it. No, it doesn't. It's super annoying. But that's an option for you guys to do. Anywho, moving forward, they let you leverage bonus money, not whatever I had for whatever reason. Haven't figured that out yet. But moving forward from that, XRP, we've kind of discussed what this movement is here. Solana looks good. We just tweaked that bottom support just a hair. We kind of expected this to head lower because of where we were. We knew we'd be falling. We knew we would be needing to retest. Like after we rejected off here, we were expecting to see correction, and we did just that. We rebounded off support quite nicely, starting to head up. So that is beautiful. Let's see how it fills in on this fractal. This is gorgeous the way it's moving here. even on the daily charts, you can now get a better overview. I mean, look at that. It's so perfect with how it's forming here. We're no longer overbought, which is great. We're filling in this ascending broadening wedge. And because we entered into here, it's very good that we could rebound and head up higher. A lot of these cryptos look like they want to head up higher. So this wouldn't be too much of a surprise either. I mean, look at Ethereum. This is so freaking beautiful. Beautiful ascending broadening wedge. We rebounded perfect off support here, and we're exploding to the upside. I mean, if you literally go on my videos on YouTube, you can see previous ones we were tracking. Look, we literally just drew this ascending broadening wedge that we were tracking. We said we hit the top resistance, most likely going to correct. Then we correct to the downside, and then we corrected to the downside, we're heading to the upside. So it's beautiful. As for Bitcoin, I think we're able to slightly tweak the Bitcoin chart to include this kind of little correction here, just a hair. Something along the lines of this, I think, is a little bit more accurate here. I think it's totally fine. And yeah, I would also argue there's a very good chance we could see a rebound off this to the upside here. Very good chance. Stock market looks great too, but I am waiting patiently for correction. I know the market is so overinflated now, I think it's almost necessary for us to head down, but that's my opinion. Otherwise, that's it for today's episode. I may or may not be able to make a video for Thanksgiving tomorrow, so I apologize in advance if I can't. But otherwise, if I don't see you tomorrow, have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the following episode. Peace.